Hello, people, internations. How are we doing? Look at us. Welcome back. Another day, another freaking thing. Some of that is frustrating. Oh my God, this little thing we're doing here might be. I'm realizing it right now. It might be the beginning of my downfall. No. But I definitely will have to think about it. Let's be real. It is one of the highlights, if not the only highlight of my day. So, thank you for checking it out. Thanks for tuning in. I thought about it, and it's absolutely can't possibly affect anything in my life because it only takes about an hour out of my day, and not even that. You have to throw in lunch, so maybe 45 minutes. If I do a shoot, this is all it takes, guys. If you want to do it, that's you got to pay for Photoshop Express though. Hopefully that's on the Android as well, right? I'm trying to take care of my people here. Sick. Okay, so a couple, if not a few items for the day. Hopefully your day is going okay. It is a good day to unwind. I believe today, it doesn't rhyme with unday, but hope you're unwound or unwind. Hopefully you're in the process of unwinding. I'm trying to, I want weekends like you guys want weekends. I want days like you guys on days. I just slammed this whole entire effort the very second I started recording. Just nonsense. Complete buffoonery. But my circadian rhythms, is that how you say it? I don't know. I just want to say a smart word. But it's really cool because at least I get to share with you guys. I get to have the same days that you guys are having. I'm still laughing at what I said earlier. But it's not that funny. Come on, get yourself put yourself together. So excited, stoked to be here. I do love it, and I'm just gonna probably just work every day next month. It has to be what it has to be. It's crunch time, folks. Okay, sorry. I really do have stuff to talk about. If I wanted to, let's say we're still talking about how you're doing, right? That's important to me. I'm not, now that we got all that out of the way, hopefully you can see that I'm being sincere there, is what I mean. Some of my recent things, what are we calling these? A schlog. It's a show, but it's basically a vlog. I've gone to shit, and maybe at the end or something. I got a like, by the way. I got a like on a video that I criticized. So maybe I need to stop doing this. But maybe I don't. I would argue that I need to. I could add an extra ingredient in here, and if I went and tried, I can make it a little more vloggy. But only if I went and did stand-up and didn't do so well. And I already mentioned that before. Moving on. Okay. Gosh, I really actually don't have that much because I've remembered everything I wanted to say. Maybe besides one more thing, which is from now on I want to be known as the guy who didn't do the Penguins Zero after show. Sorry about wearing a black shirt today, too. It's freaking ridiculous, but hopefully it's got enough color in it where you don't think I'm how do you say? What is that? What's the word? Humdrum. Too much black all up in this stuff. Okay, sorry. So excuse me, before I go, yeah, just deep thought, maybe. No, this is more of a musing, but we have to go. It's just, I don't know where to start, but it's like, it's so obvious that you have to be on good behavior until you go home. And then you unwind. Is that how you do an unwinding? Or you unwind it? Like, I don't know, like unwind it. Sorry, I hit my visor. Sick, guys. Okay, it was fun. I don't know. I'm trying to have fun. It was fun. I thought this one was good. Yeah, this posting was good. Okay, so have a great rest of your day. I'll come back with more. Boom. Maybe you get to hear about all of my failures in life and just in general. And till then, looking forward to it. Maybe not. I appreciate the feedback, guys. I do. Sick. And I know that there's multiple people watching, so I put an S on the end there. Till tomorrow, okay? Mwah. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Mwah.